This connector is an EG connector, always makes part of the EG family connectors for make the connection in the internal threads. Is the top level of the connectors for internal threads because is pneumatic activated. The series is EG-FP. FP stands for full pneumatic. This connector is completely made in stainless steel as all the other connectors. The main characteristics is that you can open and close the connector just pushing this button that is fitted with the compressed air. This kind of connector can be easily used without any effort from the operator because we have no internal springs inside, but we also have a very strong tightness in the connection. It works in this way, it's very easy. Just push the button, insert the thread and release, and it's very strongly tight. To remove the connector and to disconnect is very easily. Once again, just push and the connection is made at once. A very important characteristic of this connector that is a unique characteristic in all the panorama of connector for internal threads is that we have a double chamber inside of the connector, so that the compressed air works to open the connector, and when you release also works to keep tight the element to be connected to the connector. That means that using connector with internal springs, we have more or less 50 Newton effort, and this is the effort the operator has to do to connect and disconnect. In this way, we only have to push this button, and feeding the connector at 6 bar, we obtain 20 kilograms effort tightness. This ensures the connector is a very stable and is a characteristic very important when the flex hose connected to make the test is very heavy and very long, and also when the testing parameters are very critical. The case could be when we have to test in vacuum, extreme vacuum. The compressed air that keeps very tight the main gasket to the surface to be sealed is very strong. When you have to make several tests in a day and you have to save time and save the effort you have to do each testing cycle, if you use this kind of connectors, you are very comfortable for operations and for very high repetition testings.